Welcome to our tutorial on deleting your Quizlet account using the mobile app. Whether you're switching to a different study platform or simply decluttering your digital life, we'll guide you through the process step by step. First, open the Quizlet app on your phone. Next, tap on the profile icon located at the top right corner. Then, click on your settings. After that, scroll down to find the Delete Account option and tap on it. Now Quizlet will prompt you to authenticate your identity. Choose to continue with your Google account. Finally, confirm your decision by tapping Yes, delete my account. Your account will be permanently deleted, and all your flashcards, folders, and classes will be removed. Remember, this action is irreversible, so ensure you've backed up any important data before proceeding. If you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel, liking this video, and sharing it with others. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you in our next tutorial.